guys, this is Upcommon. It's my spaghetti. As you can see how beautiful this spaghetti is. So guys, please subscribe, like and share to your loved one, your family. Yeah, so easy to prepare. Okay guys, thank you all. See you on my next video. Bye bye. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you all. Hello my beautiful people, good afternoon, good morning, good morning, buenos dias, depend where you are hearing me from. Today's recipe is all about spaghetti. So I'm here at my ingredients. I'm going to be used to prepare this delicious spaghetti, guys. In here I already sliced my pepper and green pepper and red pepper. So I have my ginger, my garlic, my breast chicken, and my onions, my potatoes. So I have red and white onions. I have my spaghetti here, my mangin, I have powder milk here, and I have salt here. So and I have chicken breast. Okay guys, so and this all we are going to be cooking for today, guys. So and I want to use this medium to thank my old and new subscriber. If today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please do me a favor to subscribe and press that notification bell, so that whenever I upload or I send any video, you will be the first to notify. Thank you and God bless you. And I thank you also for watching my videos, for liking. God bless you. Keep sharing. One love keep us together, guys. So thank you and God bless you. Stay tuned as we watch this video to the end. Okay guys, this is my chicken breast. I'm going to cook it, boil it a little bit, and I fry it. So and before that, my hot water is already in the pot. So I'm going to go and put my spaghetti inside my water pot, so that it will boil a little before I start frying my sauce. Okay guys, keep watching. God bless you. Love you guys. Love you, love you. Keep watching. Keep watching. Keep watching. Keep watching. Keep watching. Keep watching. Thank you guys. So as you can see, I finished slicing my beef meat. You can see this is beef chicken. I finished cutting it, slicing my onions, my red pepper. So the next thing I will do now, I'm going to start frying my stew. Okay guys. Okay guys. Hi guys, you can see my onion is already in the pot, and I put my salt. So the next thing I will do, guys, I'm going to put my onions and my pepper and so I'm going to stir it. You can see I put my mangin, my garlic and my ginger. Okay guys, and salt. So I put it. So I'm going to put my tomato paste. Okay guys, I will be adding tomato paste. So this is tomatoes, just a little. Okay guys, I'm not going to put all. I'm going to put a little bit. So I'm going to put my chicken breast that I have just fried. So I will be adding it, and after that I will add the spaghetti on it, guys. Okay. So guys, this is my chicken breast and beef. So I will be adding it. I will be putting it in my stew. Okay, guys. You can see how beautiful it is. This chicken breast. Wow. So I'm going to stir it, guys. Wow, see beautiful color this delicious spaghetti has. You can see, guys, has a fine beautiful color. So I'm going to leave it for just 2 minutes. So before we now put my spaghetti on it, guys. Okay, so I'm going to leave it for 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes, guys. So guys, it is time for me to add my spaghetti. You can see. So I'm going to turn it. Wow, so yummy, guys. This is so yummy and so delicious. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate you guys for watching this video to the end and see the outcome of this delicious spaghetti, guys. Thank you all, and God bless you all. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Cheers. Ciao, ciao.
You don't laugh finish, you just want the wrong go. No, now press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button, press and to subscribe. Now yeah, press that bell, that school bell, press and to the get our notification. Now if you dey go, thank you, I love ya.